سيدنا ونبينا ومولانا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمد رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. مدد الشيخ دستور يا سيدي، مدد الشيخ نازم دستور، مدد الشيخ محمد آل دستور، مدد الشيخ يوسف تقصي دستور، مدد يا شيخ شاهم تقصي دستور، مدد يا صاحب الزمان سيدنا محمد عليه السلام دستور. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته everyone. Say shukri Allah, shukri alhamdulillah. Allah has granted us this night, a night of love, a night of joy for the sake of Allah, a night of love for one another. As our Shaykh explains, when we were making dhikr together, Allah places love in our hearts for each other. And our Shaykh explained that this is not normal love, this is spiritual love. And Allah places love in each one's heart for the other brother that's sitting next to him, for everyone else that's sitting here. And this is how the unity is created. And may Allah grant the unity between us until the Qiyamah, until into Jannah, until we are holding hands into Jannah, until we are taking our places in Jannah in the palaces. In the palaces next to each other, next to Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And our Shaykh explained that when you are sitting here, as we explained, that the energy, spiritual energy, as we said in the beginning, was descending. So this was our Shaykh said it, that it was descending, and as it was descending, it was going into the heart and then rotating through the hearts, through the hearts. And this is something we felt tonight. If anybody didn't feel it, there's something wrong. But we all felt that energy that was passing through us. It was passing through us so strongly that our bodies was pulling tight. And Allah is the one who has selected us to be here tonight. And Allah could have caused us to be anywhere else. Allah caused us to be in a gathering of love. And people are running around the world in love with everything else. But yeah, Allah granted us the greatest love, the love of Allah. And alhamdulillah, we felt it here tonight. And Sheikh Shamil gave us a very strict instruction tonight. I couldn't really lose myself, but if that instruction hadn't to be there, would have most likely gone into the heavens. But our Sheikh, alhamdulillah, he gave instruction to maintain order. And alhamdulillah, I think you would have been proud tonight. And he said, a few weeks ago, he said there was a hadra we had amongst the murids, and Sheikh Shamil sent out a message to say that he's proud, and you could feel as if it was a flower moving in and out, for the sake of Allah. And Nabi Muhammad said that the difference between those who are remembering Allah, us, and those who are not remembering Allah, everyone out there, is the difference between the one who is living and the one who is dead. So in this way, we learn that when you come to dhikrs like these, you're coming to come alive. And it is directly related to what we said in the beginning of the energy descending. The energy moving through the hearts, and you're coming alive. The heart is coming here to come alive. Allah grant us all to be alive, spiritually alive. Because there are many people out there who are spiritually dead. Like one of us said, they are the walking dead. They are walking, but their heart is dead. So they are the walking dead. May Allah grant us to be alive. As Maulana Mu'adh, so one of our teachers, he teaches us that once you go into the next realm, you become more alive than you are here. And our Shaykh Yusuf taught us that if you become of the dhakirin in this world, you become a dhakir, those who remember Allah much. Shaykh Yusuf said, when you die, you close your eyes in this world and you open it in the next world and you continue making dhikr. And so what the proof of that is, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam went on hijrah and he came across Nabi Musa alayhi salam, and he found Nabi Musa alayhi salam still making dhikr of Allah, still remembering Allah. And so may Allah grant us all to become of the dhakirin, so that when we close our eyes in this world, we open in the next world and just continue. May Allah grant us all to become of Allah's awliya Allah. As one of us taught that, and Shaykh Yusuf actually taught us that every single night, all the awliya Allah, those who are living in this world and those who have passed to the next realm, all of them every single night gather together. Shaykh Yusuf taught us of this gathering. And we must work to become part of that gathering. We must not leave this world unless we become the beloved of Allah. May Allah grant us that. If Allah grants us that, then we are successful. And if we fail at that, then we are unsuccessful. Allah grant us all to become of His intensely pious servants. Blessings and secrets of the Fatiha.